Hello everyone. Today's video is focused on using the filter settings within the GCV Analytics product. Filter settings are typically provided on the right side of the screen and allow you to filter what data is being applied to the visualizations you're looking at. Filter settings are typically associated with either the investor, the portfolio companies, or the deals themselves. And in each of these cases, these are drop downs that if you select the drop down here, you can see you can pick and choose whatever combination of those values you like. The easiest way to select only a single value is probably to click on all once and then again a second time and then click on the single one you want. So in this case for now, we're just looking at IT. Head office is the country in which the head office of all the investors is located. You can select whatever subset of those you care about. You can decide whether or not you want to look at just the corporates and their investments, or you want to look at all the VCs that are included in the database. And then you can also pick the top N that you want to look at. In this case, we're looking at the top 20. So if you click change this to the top 10, it's only going to show you the first 10 in this case. From a portfolio company perspective, you can pick the location of those countries, both by region and country. And if you first select a particular region, then you'll see when you drop down for country now only shows the countries. Since I picked Asia as a region, it's only showing the Asian countries. So you can do further breakdown by country if needed. The sector, you can select whatever combination of sectors you care about looking at. And then from a deals perspective, you can look at the dates associated with the deals. Right now, we're looking at 2015 year to date. The course adjustment for this, probably the easiest way, is to grab this controller and drag it to where you care about. If you want to make this a precise date, you can click on the date and now you get a calendar that pops up and you can pick the particular date, exact dates you care about. So now look at a very specific date range. Likewise, you can do the same thing on the end dates. Deals can either be investments or exits. In this case, since they're set to investments, the rounds you would see are only the specific rounds associated with investments. Likewise, if I change this to exits, now when I go over to round, you'll see exit, IPO, and stake sale. So let me go back and change that to investments. And then lastly, the visualizations. In many cases, the color spectrum you use here can be defined either by round. In this case, it's by round. We can do the same thing and look at it by region. And in this case, since we picked only Asia, we're seeing only the Asian region, obviously. Or you can change by sector. And that's it. That's how to use the filters throughout the GCV Analytics product.